It's another ordinary day in Christown. But today is something new. Today is Fiery's second day of school. And they will have a new student today. What student are they gonna have? Find out. Hello, my name is Mr. Smart. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Smart. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the second day of school. Anyway, we have a new student. His name is Original Flippy. Hi, Original Flippy. Okay. Does anybody have to use the bathroom? Me. Okay. Okay, you just make it quick. Okay. Glad there's no fire out there. So there could be no air, so that we don't have to push down the fire alarm. Fire alarm. That's it! I'll just pull the fire alarm. Let's see here. Beep, beep, beep. Hey, I did it. Beep. Wait a minute. There's security cameras out here. I'm down. I better get out here quickly. Beep, beep, beep. Wow. It's time. Okay. Fire drill. Let's go outside. Beep, beep, beep. Teehee. Oh my gosh. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. I hope that's everybody. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Well, that's everybody. All 16 students. Beep, beep, beep. Now no one will know that I did it. Wait a minute. Original Flippy? You did it? Of course I did. Well, duh. It was just a stupid fire alarm. What? How could you do that? What the heck? Who is Flippy talking about? Flippy pulled the fire alarm, and it was even a false alarm. Flippy, Original Flippy, how dare you? In my office, now! Oh, come, dang it! Now explain why. I guess I'll need Dogman, Lil Petey, Fiery. Get over here. And Gelatin. We need you to come too. How could you, Flippy? Yeah, just running away from your problems might just make them worse. Now explain me. Why did you pull it? Because I don't have any friends. Too bad your parents are here. Ooh, Flippy's in trouble. I know. You should learn a lesson. Ruff, ruff. Here's your mom. Flippy, how could you? I can't believe you actually pulled a fire alarm. You are grounded for millions of years. We're coming home. Unless. Okay. Mom, can I talk to Shelton and Fiery for a minute? Sure. Fiery, I'm really sorry for what I did. I'm just a new student who just doesn't care. It's okay, original Flippy. I'm really, really sorry. I feel bad about that too. Well, I learned my lesson about running away from your problems. Like just make them worse. Did you know that's a crime, actually? Wait a minute, it is? Yeah. I didn't mean to. Oh my gosh, I did a crime. I'm really, really sorry. Fiery. This is all my brain's fault. Again, I'm just going to say, running away from your problems just makes them worse. Okay. Well, anyway, Flippy's going home. While the rest of you and the Fiery family can go back to your classrooms. Your job accomplished. Anyway, Flippy's my brother, so you're coming. So, wait a minute, he's your brother? I didn't know that. Flippy, you're coming with me. And go to your room. Okay. Bye, Flippy. Well, class is still in session, so so it's time for you guys to head back to your classroom. Case dismissed. Hooray! Thank you so much, Petey. No problem.